Whoa, guys, I want y'all to see something. Look at this. Whoa, look at the stuff it's leaving behind. This pan likely, or this transmission likely has never been serviced, guys. I mean, it's in for a trans problem. Now, hardly any fluid came out, guys. Wow, look at that. Hardly any fluid came out simply because it has no fluid in it. It's got a leak, guys. This is leaking from the condenser. I already wrote that up. I gave an estimate on that, and I gave an estimate. I always tend to do a trans service when I do an estimate on uh, a transmission problem. Okay, even though it's not directly related to the physical transmission. Okay, I love doing service, not flush, guys. The service I can get in and get this filth out. And look what I see when I drop this pan. This is nasty stuff. Hopefully they'll be all right, guys. This is a nag one transmission, guys. Every 60,000 miles, I highly suggest you get in there. It's not even red. Transmission fluid is supposed to be red. Okay, let's get this filth out. I got a whole new kit over there for this.
All right, guys. Here we are. I can't hold it off much longer, guys. Getting asked too much questions, and besides that, it's easy. I just really need to do it. I'm like putting off the big stuff to do the little quick stuff, and it has caught up with me. Okay, it's called time management. You got to manage your time. If I can knock out a quick 8 hours and get back on this later, you would think management would be cool with that, right? Because at the end of the day, it's a numbers game. But no, I guess the mere fact that it's a big job. It's not even a big job. It don't take. I'll be done in a couple hours. But I guess those numbers just still sitting. That transmission still sitting over there. So I'm about to knock this out. Easy peasy, guys. This is a nag. No all-wheel drive. I ain't even got to take the drive shaft out. Just unbolt it from here. Drop this. Drop this. Oh my goodness. Easy peasy. And it's bolted to a 3.5, not a Hemi. Remember, the nag is only going to be bolted to the 3.5 or the Hemi. Never to a 2.7. Alright, yes, this is a piece of cake. Now I'm wondering, should I drain the No, I ain't doing nothing. Because I'm pressed for time. Because I still got to do this timing belt on the same car. A timing belt and water pump. This is what this is. Yeah. So that's easy too. So this whole complete job should take about 1 o'clock I should be done with the whole job. I wish I could. Where's the time at? How can I show y'all the time? I'm on my phone with the clock, so don't matter. Just got to take my word for it. Torque converter bolts hiding behind that cover. Starter bolts. Sometimes I just drop the rack just to get it out of my way. It's nothing you have to do. Get out of the habit of. You didn't have to do that. If it makes your life easy, go for it. Especially don't take that much time. Drop this rack. Not really drop the rack. Just get the steering coupling out your way. If you had to, just drop it, let it hang. But this is a piece of cake, guys. So let me grab me some tools. Put my roll card over here. Oh, I got diff fluid too. So I got to do a diff service. Diff service, very easy. Drain. Fill. Yes. Man, guys, y'all better stop sleeping on these diff service. We replaced one the other day. Well, it was abused. So they technically they really there's no repair. We don't have no parts. So I don't know anybody that would repair this compact differential anyway, but if you had to, could you? So guys, I've done enough chit chatting, ripping and roll. I ain't even gotta take the wheels off. So like I say, they investing a lot in this car. They obviously planning on keeping it. Let's go take a peek at this yep. Nag. Jasper, guys. I don't know anybody. We used to deal with Jasper a while back because it's discontinued. Chrysler no longer make it. I guess we're forced to resort to Jasper. Alright? And you best believe that was a markup. So, guys, I got work to do. Alright, stay tuned. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. Y'all see I got it out. No big deal, man. These are easy peasy, man. A couple things, guys, you want to look at. I mean, if you guys yank it out transmission, as you can see, there's no oil leak right in this area, which means the real main oil seal is not leaking. Okay, what you shut off, so look for is dust around this ring. Remember I told y'all in that video about flywheels breaking? Watch this video right here. It will accumulate dust right around in here. Even if you see dust, you can best believe flywheel is on the way out. I see absolutely nothing around here, which means this flywheel is intact. So I'm going in with the new transmission. There's no coolant or oil leak above. All right, starter and a starter shim right here. So like I say, this is a piece of cake, man. Fell right out. No big deal at all. Now my new transmission. Okay, I gotta prep this, guys. I gotta get going. So what I'm gonna do is probably jack it out with a chain. And jacked it over and then jacked it. I gotta get moving. I'll set the camera up somewhere, guys. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. I'm getting ready to go back in with it. That's Jasper. I don't know much about Jasper. Like I said, if anybody do, I'm sure they got the way it was packaged up, I'm sure it's professionally. They got a warranty and all that. So guys, now look, they was nice enough to give me the bushing and a cap for the dipstick. So, yeah, guys, don't forget this. I mean, you would have a major. This is just pressed down in there to seal off the dipstick. Well, I have to okay, I'm gonna have to transfer the cooler. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to transfer this. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna shut this video down because I didn't record me removing it, so I'm not gonna record me installing it. So a couple more transferring and it's going in. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching.